is up? Welcome back to my channel. Happy Saturday. I am so excited to take you guys along on another weekend this weekend, although this is going to be a super productive one. I have so much to do this weekend. It's insane. So we're gonna get a lot done. I had a really busy work week and I just couldn't get anything done kind of after hours, after work. So we're gonna get a ton done this week. I'm so excited to bring you guys along, get you feeling motivated and productive, and it's gonna be so much fun. It's Saturday morning, it's 10, and I'm here to tell you guys once again that you do not need to get up at the crack of dawn to be productive. If you want to, that is great, but please know getting up early does not equate to your level of productivity. We got up this morning around 7:30, and that's just because Stella didn't want to sleep in today. And we sat on the couch watching Netflix literally until 9:30. So definitely had a nice chill start to the day, but I find those are the days I'm most productive is when I take it slow in the morning and then I get super productive in the afternoon. So I made a giant to-do list yesterday. That way when I woke up today, I could just like kind of get going and get stuff done. Although we're gonna kind of have to tweak the weekend because my plan was to film some videos outside and clean my car out and stuff, but it's not spring weather today. It is -15, so we will probably not be getting that done this weekend, but that just gives me more time to get the other stuff done. So I'm gonna show you guys my to-do list and then we will get dressed and get ready and get going. Obviously just did my makeup and my hair because I want to shoot some content. But yeah, welcome to the vlog. I'm so excited that you guys are here and let's get into it. To-do list, it's so big I had to not even put it in my planner, and then I chose a yellow color because it was so springy, but then, well, it's not very springy out. So this is what we have going on today. So I need to go to like Staples and print some return labels, and I have a bunch of returns to bring to the post office, record a podcast episode. I need to pick up a new purple mild liner because it's the one I use the most for work and it's dying. The other ones aren't, but just the purple one, and I can get that at Michael's. I look at some house stuff. I do want to look for a new planner because mine finishes in May. We'll see if we do that. If we do, it'll be tomorrow because it's really cold today. I need to donate the rest of my clothes that Plato's Closet didn't want, go look at printers, and then I need to get some copies of some stuff. So that is everything we have to do today. Typically what I would do is I would like kind of color code like Saturday and Sunday's to-dos, but I'm going to see how much I can just get done today, and then tomorrow I'll kind of do more of the stuff around the house. So that is our plan for the day. I can't wait to bring you guys along. Let's do this. First thing I want to do before we leave the house is make the bed because I just feel like that's such a great way to start your day. And yeah, it's a mess right now, so we're going to clean the bed up and then we're going to get dressed. Every time I make the bed, just gotta test it out as soon as I make it. Are you so happy Mama made the bed so you can lie on it now? Guys, so this is the outfit. I'm gonna put a jacket on top and my shoes like complete the look. Otherwise it's pretty basic, but comfy Air Money outfit. This is from Old Navy, and then these are my new jeans that are also from Old Navy, and I just love them because they don't have any Stella's smelling them. They don't have any holes in them, but they are a bit distressed. Okay guys, I decided to get donuts for breakfast because it's a Saturday and life is just too short to not eat donuts for breakfast. I feel like Jenna would approve. So went to Mavericks. I thought they would have their apple fritters, but they only have them at 11. So I got a powdered sugar and a sprinkle donut, and I'm so excited to eat these. We're starting off the productive vlog right. Hey guys, I just got to the mall. I'm just here to return an Aerie sports bra. If you guys don't know, you can actually return the Aerie stuff to American Eagle, and we only have one Aerie and it's far, so I'm just at the mall here. And so I'm going to use that opportunity to take an Instagram picture. You guys know I've been trying to get a lot more confident with taking my own Instagram pictures. I mean, I literally just leave my phone tripod in the car, and I'm part of the mall that no one really goes to park. Beige wall, so I'm going to try and take an Instagram picture of my outfit. So I'm going to show you, like, I'll just do a time lapse of me trying to take my picture, and then we're going to head in and return this. My mom always told me to do my errands from like farthest to closest to the house, so that's what we're doing. Thanks Mom for the tip. And yeah, I'm gonna try and shoot this Instagram picture and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Guys, I just got out of Staples and I was looking at printers there because I just really need to get a printer. It's not like we print much, but with the house and stuff, we've been scanning a lot of documents to the lawyer and stuff, and Matt was like, honestly, let's just buy like a $200 printer and then we have it, and I can also write off part of it for my taxes. So anyways, I can't really show you guys half the time I printed because I had to print like legal documents like my social security number and stuff and my passport for the for the lawyer and stuff for the house. I forgot that last time I did all the Amazon stuff, I brought the tape in the house. So I guess we're gonna have to do this part of the errand running tomorrow. Crap! Or I can just do it later today, but okay, so no post office running for us. Now we're gonna head to the stores. Also, you guys, I know I've talked about it, but I love this little wallet so much. It's so convenient. It is from Andar. They sent it to me, but I literally love it. It's their dinner wallet. I'll link it down below. It is so convenient because I just clip it on my keys, and then when I'm in the store, I just clip it on my little purse. It is literally so convenient, and it just kind of like hangs, and it has like a little strap, so I just carry around my keys, and it's so convenient. I am going to go run the rest of my errands then. And darn it. Oh, that's okay. We can do that tomorrow. Alrighty guys, I am back, and so where did we end up going? Michael's, Marshall's, and then I went to Walmart and a few things, and then I ran out of cleaner. And since obviously the house is about to be, and since the condo is about to be listed, I just wanted to get cleaner, just, you know, I don't know. Especially in the middle of a pandemic, like I've been wiping our house down after like every showing because I'm just so paranoid, and I don't know. So we've been going through a lot of cleaner, so I picked some more up, but I'll show you guys what we got. Alright, first, because it was boring, like I said, random things we needed. This is our favorite cleaner. You guys know that by now, and I ran out, so I just got one. And then I just saw bagels in the clearance rack. So we keep our bagels in the freezer anyway, so I just love to pick up bagels when they're on sale. Then some egg whites. And then this is so yummy. It's like a salsa guac mix. And then I just picked up some meat for the week. I got some salami with prosciutto, and then just like normal prosciutto. Where's your new bone? Where's your bone? Michael's, like I said, I had to go get this color mild liner because this is the one I use for my work stuff, so I ran out of it quick. And then these were just two colors I didn't have, so I just picked up those two. And then they always get you at the checkout. This was like $1.49, but I kind of thought it'd be good for work because it's a to-do list. It's like prioritized, so this says super hot items, warmed items, and then want to get done but lol. So I thought this would be really good for prioritizing my work day, so I picked it up. It's like $1.49 or something. Really need a wide angle lens, I'm telling you guys. Okay, and then I went to Marshall's. Still chewing on the new bone that you guys already told you guys about. I went to get her a new collar because she has like an LED collar. It's really good for the dog park at night, but since it's like spring and it's muddy and wet, I just don't want to break the LED. Not that it was an expensive collar, but still. So I just got her like a nice everyday collar to wear when we take her for walks and stuff during the day, so she doesn't ruin that one. And this was $10. It is an extra large, so I don't know if it's gonna fit her, but I'll try. But it's this really pretty color, and it's like neoprene. So it's like super padded and comfy. If you guys want to know what brand it is, for pets. So I'm gonna try this on her after and see if it fits. And then this is super random, but when I moved, I donated most of my shaker bottles because I was like, Matt has enough. Well, I should have thought about that because Matt is like your typical gym rat boyfriend, okay? He drinks protein powder and water, and like, you know what, I'm not judging him, but all of our shaker bottles taste like vanilla protein and it's gross. So I wanted to just get a shaker bottle for when I go to spin in the gym that's like mine and that won't have protein powder in it, and I love it. And like Marshall's is the best place to get shaker bottles because this was $9.99, and I think even on Amazon they're so expensive. So it's just a blender bottle. I love that it's like all black, and it's actually the bigger size. It's the 32 ounce. So I got that, and I'm really excited about it. And then the last thing, you guys, I saw this and I freaked. I don't even know if it's gonna fit, but you guys know I was on the hunt to find a cheetah print midi skirt, and I couldn't find one anywhere. And then I saw this today, and I was like, I need to get it because midi skirts are so cute because you can dress them up for a date night, but they're also long enough to wear to work. So this was $24.99, and I'll try it on after for you guys, but it's so cute. I love the print, and I'm really excited. So I'll try that on for you guys after, but now I'm gonna clean up this mess that I just made, and then I think I'll probably take Stella on a walk just around the block just to get out and stretch, and then we're gonna get some stuff done around the house. But I am on a roll. I think I also need another coffee, but we're on a roll. I think I'm gonna get everything to return today and then do that tomorrow. I'm going for brunch tomorrow with Brooke and Marissa, so I think I'm just gonna do that like on the way home, and then record a new podcast. I need to do that. I might clean my car today, I haven't decided yet, and everything else I've done. So yay. Let's try this new collar on Stella and see if it fits her. You wanna try this new collar on? Come here. Oh, wow, look how pretty it is. Do you love it? Okay, can Mama try it on you? Thank you for coming here when I call you. Okay, let's see if this new one fits. Isn't it so pretty? Wow. Do you love it? I think it fits you so good. Okay, let Mama have it back. Oh, good. You want to keep it? Okay, we're going to keep it. Okay, check that fit. Okay, guys, I just got back from a walk with Stella. My head is cut off, but I'm going to make a smoothie and I'm just going to clean the kitchen up really quick. So that's that. Alrighty, guys, we're doing an afternoon coffee. What do we want though? Mexico. I like Mexico. My sponsored picture is up and now I'm just waiting for my vlog to export so I can upload it and get it ready for tomorrow. And then what are we gonna do? Oh my gosh, it's only 1:40. Holy cow. I really should clean my car now that it's like sunny and a bit warmer out. So maybe I'll start cleaning my car today. We'll see. And then I want to get everything ready to like ship tomorrow. Got the most of it done today, which was really great. So tomorrow I don't have too much to do, which is nice. I should probably like maybe clean up the house and stuff, but this has been more tidy than usual lately just because people are coming to look at it and stuff, so we're just like constantly cleaning, so that's kind of nice that on the weekends I don't really have to do that. You guys hear still like clip-clopping around. So yeah, I'm gonna get this video ready to go up and then I think I'm gonna start cleaning my car. I think it's my plan. Okay, I actually just changed and filmed my whole car clean with me, or as much as I could today at least. So it is currently 2:20. My video just exported, so I'm happy I did that. Now, my video is exported, so I'm gonna go ahead and upload it and I'll show you guys kind of everything I do for that. And then I'm gonna upload my video. I go to my Canva and download my thumbnail. Load that. Okay, thumbnail, and then I'm gonna do bio template. So I just copy this and then I obviously just change like if it's sponsored or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. Okay, and then I set it to tomorrow at noon. Then while it's uploading, change the title once it's like uploading because TubeBuddy pulls your tags off of your title. So I'll do work week in my productive work week in my life. Busy. I can never remember what I want to call this one. There, if you scroll down, your recommended tags will pop up. And then I just do mine by keyword score. So it'll show you like, obviously you probably want to do stuff. So I'll do like work vlog, work week in my life, job interview, tips. It'll just upload. So that's how I upload a video. What I'm gonna do is just like go through all this stuff and put it away and clean up all this stuff. Mommy's tired, but do you want to go to the dog park? Do you want to go to the dog park? Do you want to go make some friends at the dog park? Okay, let's go to the dog park. Oh, she knows. Look. You want to go try out your new back seat? Okay, let's Mommy change and we'll go to the dog park. We're going? Oh my gosh, guys. Look, she knows which one's my car. Look, hey, Mama got you a new back seat cover. Look, do you love it? Okay. Are you so excited to see some friends? Are you going to have so much fun? We just made it home from the dog park. Stella's pooped. It's 4 p.m. right now, Amsterdam, and I love it. And I don't really know why, but I think it's just working from home. I like to have a Netflix show on while I edit. So I am going to, I think I'm gonna edit my car cleaning video. And Stella just flopped down. Hi guys, it's been a few hours. I may or may not have watched 4 episodes of New Amsterdam. We're not talking about it. It's wine combo. I just took a shower and that's why I'm not showing my face, and I decided to take the new glasses out. They're for the new house, but I just couldn't help myself. So cute, and sometimes I don't want a stemmed glass, so we're gonna of Pelham Riesling tonight. It's actually their birthday and I just did a collab with them on Instagram. They're one of my favorite wine companies, so let's have a glass. Cheers. And I also decided I wanted to make cookies, so I made some sugar cookies. My mom got us a ton of these little mixes for Christmas, and they're awesome. So they're simple. You literally just add like a tablespoon of water and some butter. So I just did cashew milk and vegan butter, and added the sprinkles. They don't come like that, but I'm gonna decorate them for Matt because I just like love doing random stuff. So I'm gonna put like an eye and then a heart and then like you or something and like an exclamation point. Because also got his cookie icing, so I thought it'd be cute to like decorate a few of them for him, just because, you know. The other one's blank, but I think they turned out so cute. And I'm gonna leave them here for Matt when he gets home from work. Hi guys, happy Sunday. It's the next day. I actually purposely wanted to wait until today to end the vlog off. I wanted to share some chats with you guys really quickly before I end the vlog off. So last night was such a fun little night. I had that nice glass of Riesling. Anyways, we watched Superstore for a few hours, and today is Sunday, obviously, and I haven't done anything today, and that's okay. I went to brunch with Brooke around noon. I was supposed to go for a walk with Brooke and Marissa afterwards, but my stomach was really acting up, so I came home, but Marissa got me coffee, which is so sweet, so I'm just heating that up and drinking it now. But you can spend your weekend however you want. You know, if you want to be super productive both days, go for it. If you want to be like me and have a really productive day and then a really lazy day, go for it. But your weekend is up to you. There's no right or wrong way to do it. I just prefer to kind of like get everything done Saturday so I can have a lazy Sunday. It's just my favorite way to do it. So yeah, it's totally okay to do absolutely nothing on Sundays or Saturdays, whatever your preference is. You know, I got a lot done yesterday, and so far I watched 3 episodes of New Amsterdam this morning when I woke up, went for brunch, came home, took Stella for a big walk, and now I'm watching more Netflix. Like, that's just the way it's gonna go today. So I don't want you guys to think I'm always crazy productive. I've literally been sitting on this couch all day and it's 3 p.m. So I just wanted to remind you guys of that. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you guys did enjoy. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll talk to you guys next time.